Hey you! I'm so glad you're here today. Today I'm going to show you how I review and assess my goals at the end of each lunar month to see how I did and what progress was made. Because let's face it, we don't always achieve the goals that we set out to do. The end of each moon cycle starts with a balsamic moon, which is the last crescent moon of each lunar cycle. I'm starting off this video with the feeling-based intentions for the disseminating moon, which is also the waning moon. Remember, wax on is the first half of the lunar cycle, and wane off is the second half of the lunar cycle. That's how I remember it, is just wax on and wane off. Wax on, wane off. I write these feeling-based intentions on each lunar phase, either in the morning or in the evening by the light of the moon. On the final crescent moon of the lunar cycle, I do a lunar review of the entire month, tracking my journey back to the new moon. First, I think about what worked, what didn't, and what I can improve. Then I reflect on the biggest wins of the lunar month. To finish my moon review, I'm writing out a letter to the month that just passed. Dear March, thank you for this beautiful month of birthdays, a few warm days at the end, and family. Love, Jenny. Now that we've completed this journaling prompt, we can go ahead and bring our moon review practice to a close. Watch my third moon, full moon check-in video to see what my intention was for this cycle and to see the feeling-based intentions I wrote on each moon phase for the new moon to the full moon. I'll leave a link below and up in the cards. Subscribe so you don't miss the April plan with me and my fourth moon lunar goal setting video. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!